Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to remove and replace the high beam headlight bulb on this 2012 Camry Hybrid. It's the same procedure for just regular Camry, but yeah, first thing we got to do, obviously, pop the hood. Hood latch release is located right in the center. Okay, so your high beam bulbs are going to be the ones located closest to the emblem. That's these ones. And they also act as your daytime running lights as well for people in Canada. So we've got these really nice bulbs provided by Auxito that I'm going to be installing today. And they have all the bulbs you need for any application. Go check out their website. You get some nice gloves. And then here's the lights. So these are an aluminum case light, so they're very good. They double as a heat sink. You got a cooling fan that's built into them. Really nice rubber seal, LEDs on both sides, and they're just direct plug and play. They're pretty nice. So we use Auxito, been using them for a long time. They work really nice. So first thing we're gonna do is just reach down in here. We're gonna turn this light bulb counterclockwise, and it should turn about 45 degrees or 90 degrees. And then you just wanna kinda, it should just come right out, but sometimes these tabs get stuck. Okay, just pops right out. Then we've got this little button that we're going to depress. This is the locking tab for the connector. And you just press that down, pull this out, maybe give it a tap, get all the dirt and stuff out of there. Set the bulb to the side. Then all we need to do is plug the new one in. You can see that there's a tab right here. That's where the connector locks on. So just ensure that it seats correctly. It fits very nice. Then you're going to position the bulb in the same orientation as the old one that you took out, and then turn it clockwise and make sure that it's locked in place. It should be complete up and down. You can see how the connector is pointed straight down. Then all we got to do is turn it on, see what it looks like. Guys, these things are insane. They literally make the car look completely modern, way different. You can see how the original halogen bulbs are very yellow, kind of dingy. I even polished the lenses before we did this video, and just the amount of white light that comes out of these things, because they're a 65K color brightness, they're very white, and it just makes the car look super modern. You're gonna get a much, much further and wider light pattern to be able to see down the highway in the middle of the night. So it's gonna be safer for you as far as, you know, wildlife and stuff coming out on the road. You'll be able to see people, cars, anything way further ahead. Your visibility is gonna increase drastically. So if you want some of these, check out the link in the description and get some for yourself. We'll have them posted there. But that's pretty much how you remove and replace the high beam or daytime running light on the 2012 Camry. The driver's side is going to be pretty similar. And on this hybrid unit, you've got this inverter converter assembly that's right here. So it's kind of in your road, but you can still stick your hand down in there. It's just much tighter. So you may want to have some gloves on just so your hands and stuff don't get dirty, but pretty much the same idea. You're just going to turn them counterclockwise, unplug them, throw the new one in there, clockwise, lock it in place, make sure it's seated correctly. And that's pretty much it. You shouldn't need a headlight aim after you do this, but it's up to you. If the headlights aren't perfectly straight ahead, you might want to have a professional do that. But yeah, thanks for watching. If you got any questions, throw them in the comments. And like I say, don't forget to check the link in the description if you want a pair for yourself. Give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.